gingerbread man at Christmas tree gagawing mascot? Ano kaya itsura? Let's find out!
Itong sketch, ginawa natin yan sa iPad using Procreate. Yung line art naman, colors at layout, pinulido natin yan using Adobe Illustrator. This is a commissioned artwork for Happy Dandy at gumagawa sila ng mga scented candles. So, check them out. I want to take this time para batiin kayong lahat ng Merry Christmas at Happy Holidays. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binigay nyo sa akin ngayong taon. Na-appreciate ko po yun lahat. Good vibes lang po and stay creative. Now, let's check out the details. Sa taas nakalagay, O Christmas Tree. Ito naman yung pine tree natin, O Christmas Tree. Now, let's check out yung gingerbread man. Sa taas nakalagay, gingerbread cookies. Nandyan pa yung logo ni client at may text pa yun sa baba. Of course, vector po yan. Here's the final output.
Kung kailangan mo na maangas na design like this one, PM lang. Salamat!